after the septic was repaired, you can see the dirt replacement. It's at night. I'm trying to make a point about the see where the dirt was replaced and where the septic was dug up in this area. There's the house, the dirt from the septic. Trying to make a point of what the date it is on January 15th. Now back in the house. Pumping the septic did not take care of the problem. The handyman, who is a plumber, a remediation guy, an all-around guy, and I have a video of him too, took this out today. January the 15th is when he was here, and saw that there was moisture throughout these walls and into here, and there's still an odd smell in here, a methane kind of gaseous smell. And he left the sink here, the toilet open, and he left. I don't think he turned the water on, so I've opened up the toilet, and I'll take this plate off that the handyman left and put it back on the toilet. And it's back on the toilet. So the point that I'm making is that the repairs for the plumbing still haven't been fixed. The septic was full of solids, so I'm going to run this tub, and the water's still off to the toilet, but it's just not draining very well. And what happens is that after it runs for a few minutes, not draining. It's draining very slowly. And what it does is it starts venting or draining through the toilet. With the toilet off. So as it goes down, all it's doing is pushing water back through the toilet. The licensed plumber that was here yesterday said that indicated there was a main line plugged. That hasn't been resolved, and the licensed plumber was sent away yesterday in lieu of the handyman that came out today.